Good morning, my dear students. Welcome you all to the session. Today's class, we are going to start with the new exercise 11.4. You can take page number 226 in your NCERT textbook. See children, in this, we are supposed to solve the application-oriented problems. Okay, like last class we have discussed, right, examples, few example problems we have discussed, right? So based upon that example problem, we are going to discuss the exercise problem. Okay, the same method. Okay, that is what we are going to deal with. Okay, so here, before going to find the area, we should find the length or breadth or side from the given facts. Okay, they will give only few things. Using that, we should find the length, breadth, whatever we needed from the given diagram. Then we should find the next area, whatever it is. Okay, next question is, a garden is 90 meter long, okay, and 75 meter broad. A path 5 meter wide is to be built outside and around it. Okay, so actually there is one garden that is in rectangle shape. Okay, a garden is 9 meter long and 75 meter broad, which means length and breadth we got. A path, okay, one path means what? One way is drawn. Path 5 meter wide. 5 meter wide means this length is 5 meter. 5 meter wide is to be built outside the park. This is your park, okay? This is outside the park. Find the area of the path. So we should find this area of the park. Area of the path is nothing but what, children? It is the shaded region. So we should find the area of this shaded region, because we should find the area of the path. Also find the area of the garden in hectares. So we should find the area of the garden. This is the garden, right? This empty region is your garden. So we should find the area of the garden in hectare. Okay, now we'll started. Hectares is one of the units. Okay, solution. Length of the garden is equal to 90 meter. Yes, length of the garden is 90 meter. Breadth of the garden is 75 meter. Breadth is 75 meter. So what is the area of the garden? Why I am finding the area of the garden, children? Because if you find the area of the garden, then area of this total area, you will if you subtract both, you will get area of the path. Okay, that's why I am finding area of the garden is equal to length into breadth square units. Length is 90, breadth is 75. 9 5s are 45, 9 7s are 63, 67. 6,750 meter square is the area of the garden. Okay, now we are going to find the, we should write the area in hectare, correct? So area of the garden in hectares, we are supposed to find in hectares. Okay, so we should find the relation between those two, right? 1 hectare is equal to, it is like hectares is equal to 10,000 meter square. See children, this is actually given in your conversion of unit part. Okay, you can refer that. So actually this is your relation. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. Appa 1 meter square is equal to 1 divided by 10,000 hectare, correct? Appo 6,750 meter square is equal to 6,750 divided by 10,000 hectare. So 0 0 cancel, 3 digits, so it will come here, the decimal point will come in front. So 6750 meter square has become 0.675 hectare. So we have mentioned the area of garden in terms of hectare. Okay, next we should find the area of the path. So if you want to find the area of the path, what we want, we found the area of this region, right? Full rectangle we want. So what is the length of that and breadth of that? We are supposed to find it. Okay, length of the rectangle with path, correct? Length of the rectangle with path, that is our this thing. So how we will find the length? This is 90 centimeter. So along with this 5 you plus, and if this 5 plus, that is your length, correct? 90 plus 5 plus 5 meter. 90 plus 100 meter is the length of the rectangle with the path. Next, breadth of the rectangle with path. So breadth means what? From this to this it is given. So remaining this one is 5 5. Appo 75 plus 5 plus 5, 85 meter is the breadth of the rectangle with path. Now area of the rectangle with path is equal to length into b square units. What is length here? 100, breadth 85, 8500 meter square is the area of the rectangle with path. Now we found this area of the rectangle with path, then area of this garden we found. Yes, if you subtract, we will get the area of the path, right? So area of the path is equal to area of the rectangle with the path minus area of the garden. Okay, what is area of the rectangle with path? 8500 minus area of the garden is 6750. 8500 67500 415771. So 1750 meter square is the area of the path. Understood? And it is very easy. Just finding the area of the garden, then area of the rectangle with the path. If you subtract these two, you will get this path. Okay? Then this hectare conversion, that is important. Okay? Next is your second problem. What is the question? A 3 meter wide path runs outside and around a rectangular park of length 125 meter and breadth 65 meter. Find the area of the path. Same like last problem, children. First I am going to draw one rectangular park. What is the length and breadth of the rectangular park? 125 meter, 65 meter. This is the park. Around this park there is one path. Path means one way. What is that wide actually? 3 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter. See, it is a rough diagram. That's why I am just drawing like this. Find the area of the path. This path we want. This shaded region we want. Okay, this shaded region we are supposed to find it. Okay. Now we have to find the whole area, then this park area, and if you subtract these two, you will get the area of the path, right? Now we are going to write the solution for that. Length of the rectangular park. What is the length of the rectangular path, children? 125 meter, right? Then breadth of the rectangular park. What is the breadth of the rectangular park, children? 65 meter, right? Length it is given, breadth it is given. Okay. Now shall we find the area of the rectangular park? Area of the rectangular park is equal to length into breadth, which is nothing but 125 into 65. So now 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 12, 6, 6 5s are 30, 6 3s are 12, 15, 1, 7, 5, 2, 11, 1, 8. So 8,125 meters square is the area of this park alone. Okay. Next, you should find the area of this rectangle with the path. Okay. So before that we want length, right? Length of the rectangle with the path. What is the length, children? Here 125 plus 3 plus 3. Correct? 125 plus 3 plus 3. 128, 131. Okay? 131 meter is the length. This whole length is 131 meter. Next, breadth of the rectangle with the path. So breadth means 65 plus 3 plus 3. 65 plus 3 plus 3, 71 meter. Now shall we find using this length and breadth area of the rectangle with path? Area of the rectangle with path is equal to length into breadth. What is length actually? 131 into 71. 131, 7, 7 3s are 21, 9. Yes, 7 3s are 21 to 9. 1, 10, 3, 9. So 9,301 meter square is the total area of this rectangle. Now what is we have to find? Area of the path is equal to area of the rectangle with path minus area of the rectangular park. Okay. Area of the rectangle with the path, which is nothing but the highest triangle, minus area of the rectangular park. What is this? 8125, sorry, 9301 minus 8125. 9301 minus 8125. Yes. So 9301 minus 8125 is here 2916711. So you are getting 1176 meter square as the area of the path. Okay. So this area, the shaded region is nothing but 1176 meter square. Understood? Which is actually same as like the last problem. Yes. Your third problem, children. What is the question? A picture is painted on a cardboard 8 centimeter long and 5 centimeter wide. Okay. One picture is there, children. This is one picture. That is length is 8 centimeter long and 5 centimeter wide, such that there is a margin of 1.5 centimeter along each side. So in each side there is one border, which means some margin is there. What is the width of that? 1.5 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter. Everything is 1.5 centimeter. Okay. Listen, children, in previous problem and all, it was outside. Now they are saying along, which means it is inside it. So this margin is inside this frame, inside this picture. So it looks like a frame. Find the total area of the margin. So we are supposed to find the shaded region, which is the margin. Okay. So now we shall start to find length of the picture with the margin. What is length of the picture with margin, children? What is the length of the picture with margin? It is 8 centimeter, right? Length of the picture with margin is 8 centimeter. Next is breadth of the picture, right? Breadth of the picture with margin is, what is breadth of the picture with margin? 5 centimeter. So what will be the area? Area of the picture with margin will be, what is the formula? Length into breadth. 8 5 is 40 centimeter square. Okay, length of the picture with margin is 8 centimeter. Breadth of the picture with margin is 5 centimeter. 8 5 is 40 centimeter square. Okay, next we should find this area. Only then if you subtract, you will get the area of the margin. Area of the, sorry, we don't want to find first area. First you should know what is the length, what is the breadth. Length of the picture without margin. Length of the picture without margin, this one. So this is length. 8 centimeters full length. In that, if you subtract 1.5 and 1.5, you will get the length of this inside. So minus 1.5 plus 1.5. So 8 minus 3, 5 centimeter is the length inside. So this is 5 centimeter. Okay. See, 8 is the full length. If you subtract 1.5 and 1.5, you will get 5 centimeter, which is the length. Okay. Next. Breadth of the picture without margin. Okay, what is the breadth here? 5 minus 1.5, 1.5, you will get this breadth. This whole length minus 1.5, 1.5. So 5 minus 1.5 plus 1.5, you will get 5 minus 3, 2 centimeter is the breadth of the picture without the margin. So we got length and breadth now. Yes. Now the length and breadth has found. We can find the area. Area of the picture without margin is equal to length into breadth. Length is 5 centimeter, breadth is 2 centimeter. 5 2s are 10 centimeter square. Now can we find the area of the margin? Area of the margin is equal to area of the picture with margin minus area of the picture without margin. Yes, correct? Yes, see, area of the picture with margin minus area of the picture without margin. What is area? 40 minus 10, 30 centimeter square. So this is what the area of the margin. Understood? So 30 centimeter square is the area of the margin. Understood? Next is your fourth problem, children. A veranda of wide 2.25 meter is constructed all along outside the room. So they have said that one veranda is constructed, one room is there, children. That veranda is constructed outside the room. So this outside. So room is a 5.5 meter long and 4 meter wide. So room is 5.5 centimeter, not centimeter, meter and 4 meter wide. The veranda is constructed 2.25 meter wide. This is constructed 2.25 meter wide. So area of the veranda they are asking. This shaded region as usual. Okay. What I am doing is I will solve the problem, then I will teach you. Okay. Because this type of problem you already know. Okay. So in this we should find the area of the veranda. Then next is cost of cementing the floor. So if you want to cement the floor, which you want to put the cement, how much rupees is needed? That is the question. Okay. See, I have written the solution for this problem. So what they have said, the veranda is outside the room, right? What is the length of the veranda? The length of the room 5.5 meter, breadth of the room is 4 meter. So using this 5.5 and 4, can we find the area of the room? Which is 22 meter square, right? So this is the room, okay? So we got the area of the room. Now we should find the area of the room with veranda. This big one we should find it. So we should find the length first, okay? What is the length? 5.5 plus 2.25 plus 2.25, which is 10 meter, which is the length. Breadth 4 plus 2.25, 2.25, 8.5. Breadth. Length and breadth we got for the room with veranda. So area of the room with veranda is 85 meter. So if you subtract these two, this big one minus the small one, you will get the area of the veranda. 85 minus 22 meter square, if you do, you will get the area of the veranda, which is 63 meter square. Now cost of cementing. The question they have given, for 1 meter square of the floor we want rupees 200. For 63 meter square of floor, which is the veranda floor, right? About 63 into 200 we want 12,600 rupees for cementing that floor. Okay. So I hope you all understood, children. Thank you.